just went for Daniel. Probably my main target. And I know exactly his tactics.
Oh, do you know his tactics?
Yeah. He just wants to go stealth. And I'm on comms with him, so. And then when I listen to his tactics, I can just, yeah. Come on.
He's not that small. Who's picking on? Chris. I'm coming for you, mate.
Oh God, does it look like I'm scared? I'm listening in on your tactics right now. Oh shit, Daniel, I'm out of battery. I'm out of battery, Daniel. You might need to come over.
Okay, mate. I'm going to come out with my hands up to stop your battery. I have a spare battery, alright? Coming out with my hands up.
Just by the side. Oh look! Dad, look at this.
That's fine, that's fine.
I don't shoot a few times.
That's fine. No problem.
Have you used this battery?
You see that battery's in there all day, miss.
I see someone there behind the milk cover.
Yeah, you think you can get over there, miss, to throw that grenade?
I'm gonna get to that tree and I'm just gonna hope. Just get behind that milk cover, try and get him.
No, mate, I'm going to keep the cover off of it, okay? Because this doesn't really fit with the big battery, right?
So. Does that still work okay?
It does, yeah, but I think I need to put some thread lock on it because it's starting to sound a bit funny, like the motor height is moving. Okay, right. 1 minute now.
You can go back to your first. I'm back in business. Oh, I had a video. Run, we got a grenade. Could you put that stupid pin?
The pin?
Yeah. Somewhere inside this area. The metal pin, so if you see it. Oh, thank you.
So, do you want to put it back in or something,
yeah,
is it?
Put it back into my pouch there.
Okay. Let go.
Then just gave away his position from going back because I had to change my battery. So he just gave away his position, so now I'm going to get him at the gun.
Okay.
So, kind of reverse psychology.
this way, collect the grenade. Come forward to me. Dad, come straight over here.
Dad, Daniel's coming to spray him. I'm just shooting you down for the class. Somewhere in that lane. Somewhere in that lane. Let's see your chance to shoot Daniel.
That's really right on your left. Yeah. Right at the back of it. No, the other back. Stand the flag up! Stand the flag up! Don't shoot him, no, I just had my hand.
Oh, there it is. Thank fuck. I fell off.
Dad, do any of you have a smoke on it?
Dude, grab the flag, grab the flag. Go on. You get it. No, you get it. Go on, you get it. What? We'll cover you, mate. We got you, mate. We got your back, bro. You grab it, mate. Go back over the bridge now with it. Take your time now. Did you get hit?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, good.
That's on me.
Look at these guys.
Come on, Vinny!
Well, man, well done.
Come on, kiddo.
That's my team tactic.
Red way. Nice one, Mason. Did you get your trade?
Yeah.
Did you shoot him?
Yeah.
You shot me anyway. I lost my 3 dice very fast. I was gone.
Yeah, I was just playing inside the smoke.
All right, yeah.
Woo. That was a good land. If you won't believe me, I only got shot one time. That was the time when, you know, one of you got me in the head. And I was going for the flag. I only got that one shot, and then, yeah, that was all I got.
Very good. Well done.
I was trying to use the smoke as cover, but I said, no, there's about 1,000 people in there. When I heard, when I heard people screaming, I was like, that's a death trap. I'm just going to wait for it.
You don't want to sit there and be after the shooting like that, yeah. Right in the middle of everyone.
Yeah, I cannot.
Mason, did you get the flag there?
No, Vinny did.
Man,
I
you did
got
well,
hit.
Mason.
That was the only time which I got hit in the whole game. So, still love that. Oh. Take out the map.
Don't give a shit, man. If you like this, or how uncomfortable it is. It's good
well,
crack,
exactly,
that's
yeah.
all that matters.
Right.
Yeah, why not?
My arm's going dead.
Yeah.
Try not
I
to
want
move.
the PKM.
Hey,
So badly.
how'd you get on in that game, Mason?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You get many kills?
I got Daniel the back 3 times. But other than, but I only got killed one time. That's when I was going for the flag.
Yeah, well that's a good ratio.
Yeah. Still, I'm still shocked. I got 5 kills with 1 grenade.
Yeah, that's alright, right, yeah. I held that grenade gun off, that was a perfect in it.
Yeah.
We needed that.
The slow motion and all was great on it.
Right.
My dad's a good editor, I swear.
Yeah.
And should I tell you why I think so?
What's
Because when my dad was little, he was inside the army.
Right.
So that's why I think he's so good.
Fuck yeah.
Because he opened up guns and shot them stuff.
Right.
So that's why I think so. A bit of a deep boy.
Mission report, mate.
Mission report.
We got the flag back enough so Vinny could take it out.